Freelancing tips for beginners. She earned her first dollar online while washing dishes in a tiny kitchen. No laptop, no experience, just a phone and desperation. And that one moment, it changed her life. The illusion they sell you. Work from anywhere. Be your own boss. Escape the 9 to 5. Freelancing has become the new dream. But what they don't tell you is the truth behind the laptop lifestyle. You'll wake up with anxiety. You'll send out 10 proposals and get 0 replies. And you'll wonder, am I even good enough? I've been there. And today, I want to take you beyond the glamour, into the real world of freelancing, where the money is real, but so are the struggles. Why most beginners quit. Let's talk about them. Fresh graduate, decent writer, signed up on Fiverr and Upwork, and waited. Days became weeks. Not a single client. And like most beginners, he thought, freelancing is too crowded. It's too late to start. But Amon's mistake wasn't timing. It was strategy. Because freelancing is a game, and unless you know the rules, you'll keep losing to people half as skilled as you. Let me show you those rules. No fluff, no hacks, just hard-earned truths. Brutal tips every beginner needs. 1. Pick one high-income skill. Don't try to be a graphic designer and a content writer and a social media manager. Choose one skill. Master it. Own it. Clients don't hire generalists. They hire experts, even if you're just beginning. 2. Portfolio over certificates. Nobody cares about your online course certificates. They want to see what you can do. Create 3 sample projects. Even if no one paid you for them, create them anyway. That's your proof of work. 3. Start cheap but never stay cheap. In the beginning, underpricing helps you get noticed. But here's the catch. You must raise your prices with every 2 to 3 clients. Because if you don't value your time, neither will they. 4. Customize every proposal. Copy-paste won't cut it. Before sending a proposal, read the client's needs. Mention them by name. Address their problem. Make it feel like you wrote it just for them. Because if it feels like a template, it goes straight to trash. 5. Don't wait for platforms. Yes, Fiverr and Upwork are great. But also explore LinkedIn outreach, Twitter networking, niche job boards like TopTal, Contra, and Flexible. Sometimes, one cold DM can change everything. 6. Client experience greater than skill. You don't need to be the best designer or writer. You need to be the most reliable. Reply on time. Deliver early. Be professional. People don't always remember your work, but they'll remember how you made them feel. The dark side no one warns you about. Let's talk about what happens behind the scenes. You'll feel like giving up. You'll compare yourself to others who seem to get clients effortlessly. You'll doubt every word you write, every design you send, every quote you share. And you'll think, maybe I'm not cut out for this. But freelancing isn't about luck. It's about showing up when no one is watching and delivering when no one expects you to. Every successful freelancer you admire, they went through this phase. They just didn't quit but stayed on. You don't need 100 clients to succeed. You just need 3 who love your work. That's it. Because this channel, it's not about shortcuts. It's about building slow and winning forever. So if you're ready to stop scrolling and start building, subscribe. Your first client is waiting. But the question is, will you show up or will you scroll past again?